Welcome to Trade a Day, where I'm trying to put out a kind of flushed out trade idea mostly every single day. Sometimes there will be videos and you'll see them up on the channel and everywhere that you're seeing this video. Sometimes they're just going to be a Substack, just written with annotated charts. So make sure you're going to statsedtrading.com and you're signing up for that Substack so that when there's not a video, that you don't miss the idea that I'm going to put out. Completely free. As always, not investment advice. This is just one trade that I'm considering going into tomorrow for a swing trade. So again, if you're interested in that, then make sure you go to statsedtrading.com or just go to Substack and look for Michael Nauss. You can find it there as well. So without further ado, we're getting started here with Bitcoin. The trade is not on Bitcoin, but I just want to kind of use this as a premise to start with. So we have this anchored view app right here, from the lows. Let's make this candles. I know people like candles. We have an anchored view app from the all-time high right here. And we have an anchored VWAP from this major significant low right here as well. We came up, we tested these highs, and then we pulled back. And we're trying to dig in against those anchored VWAPs. Since we pulled back, we put in a bottoming tail a couple days ago, we put in a bottoming tail today. Kind of some signs that there may be some accumulation in Bitcoin going on in this particular area. And the same thing with Ethereum or Ethereum ETH USD. We have the anchored VWAP from this high right here. And we have the anchored VWAP from this major low right here. Both are hanging out right below where we had a bottoming tail that came in, tagged that level, and then bounced there today. And then some new bottoming tails and some, buying-ish looking kind of price action in this area right here. So, being a guy who likes to trade stocks, going to Coinbase, and I'm taking a look here on Coinbase. So I'm going to anchor VWAP from this prior high. You can see that also lines up. We've tapped that a few times. I like that the relative strength in Coinbase has been greater than that of just the cryptos that I showed you. So, and right, this is just a simple 50-day moving exponential 50-day moving average right at this area right here. So we have both this anchored VWAP and that one, as well as if we anchor VWAP just like we were before, from the lows, all of it kind of lines up right here. So that shows me there's a lot of support in this area for Coinbase. So what I'm going to watch for tomorrow, the market's closed right now, is if we can get some strength over this high right here. I like to zoom into a 30-minute chart. Someone asked in the channel, I don't actually watch these charts intraday. I don't personally see a lot of value in that. For me, it's mainly, wait for the latter half of the day or the close, but I just like to glance to see if there's any obvious areas of support or resistance. I think 250 is going to be the zone that I'm going to look for. Now, I just don't want to see a spike into 250 and a drop. I want to see it hold 250 or break 250 later in the day when, all the kind of crazy junk is out of the way. So that's kind of my idea here. If I'm wrong, I'll probably use the low of this day right here. You could use the 50 moving average. So, call it 230 to 220 would be an absolute stop for me. I like my stops tight. I'd rather take two shots at this and be wrong the first time than to, hold for a long period of time. So I'm risking from, let's call it, 249 to 230. Let's just say 250, 230, risking $20 a share. So do I think the chances are that I could get up to 270, which would be $20 a share? Absolutely. Do I think that we could get up to, 280 or 300, which would be well more than a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio? Absolutely. So that's my game plan. It's going to be predicated on Bitcoin moving higher. If Bitcoin reverses tonight or something like that and just, tanks to new lows, then I'm not really interested. I want to see Bitcoin moving higher because this is going to be somewhat tied to the price of Bitcoin. So again, if you like this kind of content and you want a trade a day sent to your inbox, go to statsedtrading.com, sign up for the free email list there, and I will talk to you guys soon.